the more important thing is that they are already in jail for more than 5 years. And there is no hope of the trial starting even in the near future. And then to have a distinction between some under trials and these two, by saying that the role of these two is slightly more graver than the other five, and accordingly they should remain in jail even as an under trial without any hope of trial starting in the near future, according to me, is a complete miscarriage of justice. This period that they will be spending in jail can never be given back to them if they are ultimately not found to be guilty. The only anxiety of the system should be to start the trial as soon as possible. And even if it is alleged that these under trials have in some way or the other been responsible for delaying the trial, is also no ground to say that they should be kept in jail indefinitely, because when you say that a under trial is responsible in delaying the trial, obviously he has exercised certain rights available to him in law for challenging some procedural orders in between, because of which the trial may not have started. Now that's again a decision of the court to delay the trial, because the higher courts have taken a view that trial at this stage cannot start for whatever good reason. So that delay also can't be attributed to an under trial if courts have intervened by virtue of which the trial got delayed. So I think expediting the trial is clearly within the hands of the court. If the court is unable to expedite the trial for a person who's already in custody, I can understand a trial being delayed for somebody who's absconding, and obviously the trial can't start because he has to be apprehended, and that person claiming advantage of the delay would be looked at very differently from somebody who is in custody. And if he is in custody and if the trial is being delayed because the court is unable to go ahead with the trial for whatever reason, then it is the court only which has to take the blame for delay of the trial, because either they have not followed the procedure properly, which has given the accused a right to go to the higher court and get some interim orders in the way in which the trial is going on. So if you are not doing something correctly, because of which the trial is not able to start, you can't blame the accused for not by denying him bail, because there is a delay in trial.